Welcome to our channel GK Plaza. You are here to learn more general knowledge through our channel. To learn more, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get our daily videos. For your each subscription on your behalf, we will provide a book to your orphan child. Your each subscription will help a orphan child to get a book.
Division of labor is the result of The answer is specialization. Specialization occurs when workers are assigned specific tasks within a production process. Therefore, this will lead to an increase in labor productivity. Payment of water charges by the farmers to the government represents The answer is intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption is an accounting concept which measures the value of the goods and services consumed as inputs by the process of production. When marginal utility is 0, the total utility is The answer is maximum. For utility to be maximized, the marginal product should be 0. As if marginal utility is greater than or equal to 0, it is beneficial to increase consumption. If marginal utility is lesser than or equal to 0, it is beneficial to decrease consumption. In economics, production means The answer is creating utility. Production in economics is sometimes defined as the creation of utility or the creation of wants. Production therefore should be defined not as a creation of utility but the creation of value. The income elasticity of demand being greater than 1, the commodity must be The answer is a luxury. With income elasticity of demand, you can tell if a particular good represents a necessity or a luxury. Since the value is positive, the good is elastic. It implies that for every 1% increase in income, people will demand 1.5 times the number of goods. A want becomes a demand only when it is backed by the The answer is ability to purchase. One should have the desire and capacity to buy a commodity and should be willing to pay its price to constitute effective demand for that commodity. The most distinguishing feature of oligopoly is The answer is interdependence. Oligopolies are typically composed of a few large firms. Each firm is so large that its action affects market conditions. Therefore, the competing firms will be aware of a firm's market actions and will respond appropriately. Which is the most essential function of an entrepreneur? The answer is risk-bearing. There are chances that entrepreneur may be rewarded with a handsome profit or he may suffer a heavy loss. Therefore, the risk bearing is the final responsibility of an entrepreneur. Prime cost is equal to The answer is variable cost plus administrative cost. Prime cost refers to a total business expenses. Variable costs are expenses that change in proportion to the activity of a business. Administrative cost is the cost associated with the general management of organization in accounting. This comes to variable cost plus administrative cost. Under which market condition do firms have excess capacity? The answer is monopolistic competition. It is a type of imperfect competition such that one or two producers sell products that are differentiated from one another as goods but not perfect substitutes, such as from branding, quality or location, so it has excess capacity. Which of the following costs is related to marginal cost? The answer is variable cost. A variable cost is a cost that varies in relation to changes in the volume of activity. Variable cost affects the marginal cost of production. If a change in all inputs lead to a proportionate change in output, it is a case of. The answer is constant returns to scale. If output increases by the same proportional change as all inputs change, then there are constant returns to scale. If output increases by more than the proportional change in all inputs, there are increasing returns to scale. The income of Indians working abroad are a part of. The answer is net domestic product of India. Net domestic product of India includes the income of Indians working abroad. Personal disposal income is. Equal to personal income minus direct taxes paid by household. It is the after-tax income. The formula is personal income minus personal current taxes. In calculating national income, which of the following is included? The answer is income of watchman. Principle of economics defines national income as the labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kinds.